Inbox Plus is where you can view all client and system-related events and respond to them efficiently. To read a message or an email, expand the notification box to see the latest message. If you want to view the full message or email thread, click the Go To button without expanding the notification box. You can also view documents uploaded by clients. Expand the document notification box and click the Attach Document or the Go To button to open it. Notifications can be archived for yourself or the entire team. Clicking Archive for Me removes the notification from your personal to-do list, but keeps it visible to other team members. Selecting Archive for Everyone removes the notification from everyone's to-do lists. You can archive notifications individually or in bulk, and all archived notifications are stored in the Archive tab. From there, you can restore notifications for yourself or for the entire team. You can also filter notifications by type to manage them more effectively. Click the Filter button at the top right corner to narrow down notifications by account name and/or notification type, such as documents or emails. Apply one or multiple filters, and the notification list will update accordingly. By default, TaxDome sends all automatic notifications to both your login email and Inbox Plus. If you prefer not to receive certain notifications, you can adjust your preferences. Go to the Account settings. Find Notification Preferences and uncheck the boxes in the Inbox Plus column for the notifications you want to disable. And that's how to make the most of Inbox Plus.